is Bonnie Carrasco versus Samuel Strader. And y'all had a request to take this off the YouTube? Is that correct?
I, I did, Your Honor. But
Okay.
if it's gonna obstruct procedure, then we can proceed.
No, I just need to know the reason.
The reason is invasion of privacy.
Okay, because Texas courts are considered public.
Okay, well, if anybody wants to obtain public record to these proceedings, they can do so, but they don't need YouTube to do it.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving into one of the wildest courtroom stories you'll ever see. A mother loans her son $10,000, then gets dragged into court when he refuses to pay it back. What starts as a family dispute quickly turns into a legal circus, fueled by arrogance, confusion, and misplaced confidence. The setup alone hints at the emotional chaos that's about to unfold in this small Texas courtroom.
Oh,
And
okay.
in a courtroom, we have to have some way to make it public. And so that's what they came up with, was to just put it on YouTube. It's not being recorded.
Yeah, I mean, I guess I understand that, but not really, but that's fine. We can proceed.
Okay. Let's see, Ms. Carrasco, let me, and Mr. Strader, let me swear y'all in. Do each of you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Strader as well?
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, Ms. Carrasco, I've been through the evidence that y'all submitted and the petition, and I know this concerns a loan that was made on November 6th of 2023. And the contention you're making is that it was a loan.
Yes.
And you've been trying to collect on that loan.
Yes.
When was the first time that you, if you can recall, as I said, that loan was in November of 23. When was the first time that you made an effort to try to collect on that or talk to your son about collection on that?
In February.
In February of 24? Okay.
Yes.
And
also, Your Honor, I'd like to point out that any reference to my medical condition should be stricken from the record. He had no business admitting it. He is not a trained psychologist.
right, that's not relevant. It's not
Correct.
relevant. So that was in February.
Yes.
And what other efforts did you make besides the
Well, I can tell you this. 2 days after we filed the court almost a year ago, he came into my house intoxicated with George Ferguson and said, "Meet me at the bank." 2 days after he was served.
After he was served? Okay, because
Yes.
this was filed on March 21st of 24.
Yeah,
So
he came in, and once the constable served him, he arrived at my house, said, "Meet me at the bank," said an F word to George Ferguson, and said, "Meet me at the bank tomorrow. You sent the police to my house." The day after he was served.
The day, okay, and what happened then?
I said, "I don't need to go to the bank. You're intoxicated." You said, "F you to George." There's evidence said we can have a civilized conversation. I said, "Go in my bank," because he banks, Your Honor, where I bank, and deposit the money or make a payment plan. I also, on July 10th, Your Honor, I know there's a lot of evidence. I offered him a settlement
I read that.
of 150 to 100 a week. He works for the city of Austin, making $62,000 a year plus, and took another $10,000 loan that he showed me on his phone to use as, quote, a cushion, Your Honor. A cushion.
All right, guys, here's where the tension starts building. The mother requests the court to take the case off YouTube for privacy reasons, but the judge isn't having it. With calm authority, he reminds everyone that Texas courts are public record. It's an early reminder that this courtroom drama isn't staying behind closed doors. The stage is set, and the first clash of control just began.
That, I know that
Correct.
happened.
Correct.
But,
Now, if you look at Sunday, February 18th,
mhm,
I need 250 by the first. I'm fat effing broke. I apologize for my language in advance.
mhm.
You agreed to make a payment plan and I haven't seen your payment. So what is your plan? You also have Aaron or Paula call me at the bank because he banks where I bank, Your Honor.
Mhm.
By the way, this is Sammy. This is business. He says this is extortion. This is him talking to his own mother.
Is that filed in the exhibits that you sent?
Yes.
Which one is that in?
By the way, this is extortion. It's February 18th to Saturday, March 23rd at 4:16 p.m.
Well, it's first you sent in that plaintiff's exhibit packet, and then you sent in plaintiff's account history and loan and security agreement. And
Right.
that bunch of evidence. Do you know where it is?
What do you mean?
What you're quoting from, the extortion statement. In which of those exhibits is it in?
It is dated Saturday, March 23rd at 4:16.
I just don't.
It's a text message.
Right. I'm just not, I don't remember reading that part.
I can show it to you. It's right here, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
Can you see it?
Oh, okay. Okay. See, I just don't remember. Okay. Go
Okay,
ahead.
so hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see where it says this is extortion?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. And that was February 18th?
March 23rd.
Oh, that was March 23rd. Okay. Go
Yep.
ahead.
This exhibit, Your Honor. Can you see it, Your Honor?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Go ahead.
Can you see what he's saying?
Yes. Now that one I saw.
Can you read that for the court, please? And on the record?
Oh, it's in there. It's in the,
I'm going to nominate you for Mother of the Year. No arrest in 13 years. Wow, it's really amazing how much you want to help your mom, who gave you 10 grand. Let me emphasize the word gave, Your Honor, with all due respect. The
mhm.
bank gave me a loan. Gave does
Mhm.
not constitute, the word gave in legal terms does not constitute gift.
Right. Okay. Go ahead.
So will you accept half or not? Do you see that, Your Honor?
Uh-huh.
If it's not a loan, why are you accepting half?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And
Because the burden is on me. Or the burden.
Now the courtroom dives straight into the heart of the issue. The mother recounts how her son accepted a $10,000 loan and then refused to pay her back. Her emotions build as she describes his intoxicated visit after being served as insults and her repeated attempts to settle things peacefully. You can feel the heartbreak of a parent facing the cold reality that family doesn't always mean loyalty.
That's coercion. No arrest in 13 years. He did a background check on his own mother when he's a convicted felon.
well, we're just talking about the nature of the loan right now.
Correct. You see this, Your Honor? He banks where I bank. I called my bank. They said, you don't need to go into the bank with Sammy because frankly, he scares me.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even want to see his face during this. I'm a nervous wreck.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
said, "Yeah, Paula or Aaron call me because he banks where I bank, and
Uh-huh.
you don't even need to be here. We'll put the money in the bank." He did not.
Okay.
And P.S.
Okay.
Ask him why he borrowed 10 grand. Ask him how much he spent on his wedding. Because I know.
Well, we're
And I
just,
believe, I believe, Your Honor, with all due respect, this should now become a community debt should I win the case.
This is where things explode. The mother presents text messages that reveal the son calling her a blackmailer and accusing her of extortion. The courtroom watches as the judge reads the shocking messages aloud, exposing the son's contempt. Every word cuts deeper, turning this family feud into a public spectacle of pride and betrayal. The mother's patience fades as the truth starts surfacing line by line.
Your Honor,
mm-hmm,
I'm willing to do this out of the goodness of my heart.
mm-hmm.
Really? Really?
Okay.
Another admission. You see this exhibit? I told you, pay house, buy house, give back, or pay bills. Now, if defendant offered me 10 grand, Your Honor, I apologize for shouting. You see how bad I'm shaking.
Mm-hmm.
Why would I say, oh no, Sammy, I don't want your 10 grand? That's an outright lie.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And you have no case. This is his arrogance.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just about done here. You see this exhibit? I'm willing to have a civilized conversation about this without your bodyguard. That was George. When he walked in and said, fuck you to George.
Mm-hmm.
You see this? You are a psycho narcissistic. Read that, Your Honor. With all due respect, you're going to talk this way to your mother who let you live here and walk out of my house with $15,000.
Okay, we're just going to talk about the
I
loan.
understand.
We're not going to talk about the tenor of his other statements, just the loan.
Again, Your Honor, at the bottom, I am willing to pay half.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Again, Your Honor, show his arrogance. Your first mistake is thinking you can tell me what to do. You see it?
See, that's what I don't want to hear stuff like that right now. I just want to hear about the nature of the loan.
Okay. Well, I think I've submitted enough evidence. Do you have any questions for me, Your Honor?
No, not at this time.
Thank you.
But you are requesting return of the $10,000. That's what you're asking the
I'm
court.
willing to settle the case right now today for $5,000.
If he wants to do that for $5,000.
Yep, that's giving him half. Oh, one more thing.
Mm-hmm.
That he's taunting me. Free legal advice is nice. Who does that to their own mother? You realize what that's done to me? Look, I'm shaking.
Okay, try to relax. Okay, just try to relax. Mr. Schrader, she says she'll settle for $5,000 right now.
Yeah, I hear her.
Half again.
Is she going to unmute or is she going to mute?
Yeah, let's talk to Mr. Schrader right now, Ms. Carrasco.
Sure.
Go ahead, Mr. Schrader.
I'll be happy to answer any direct questions, but my testimony has not changed. This was never a loan. I mean, if you want some background, I can give it to you.
Well, first I want to know if you accept the offer.
No.
5,000. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Do you have any questions, direct questions for me, or do you just want me to do what she just did and tell you the whole story?
I just want to know the kind of the presumption in law is that it is a loan. Uh, you
By
need to
whose
establish it was a
standards?
gift. That's the legal,
I mean, how has this been proven a loan thus far?
because she is indicated that it's a loan. She says it was a
Okay,
loan.
okay, but it's my word against hers, right?
Well, that's why I'm saying the legal presumption is that it is not a gift. And you need to tell me how it is a gift.
Okay, because she told me to keep it on the phone, which is on record with Consumer Cellular, which unfortunately you can't subpoena phone calls because this is not Law and Order. This is not TV.
Right.
However, that's how it went down. $10,000 to a guy like me is life-changing money. And she also left out the part where she had a house picked out on Oak Alley right around the corner from her house for $450,000. And I quickly assessed the situation and said, there's no way possible that you can buy a house in Austin, Texas for $450,000 with $10,000 down. So I said, we're not buying a house. I'm 53 years old. I'm not hitching myself to a mortgage. And it's impossible to do with only $10,000. So I can either pay off some bills with this or I can give it back. She said, keep it. It's a gift. She was happy. She was living her life. She was doing her thing. She was spending money all over the place. And I was happy for her. I was like, well, maybe it'll stick. And it didn't. So, I mean, if you read the evidence that I submitted, the letter that I wrote to the court, it's almost verbatim. You don't have to remember anything when you're not lying. This is actually what happened. And then right after that, she said, don't tell Ben. Ben is my brother. He's a very successful family court lawyer.
Mm-hmm.
And she said, don't tell him. And I said, well, that's no problem. We never talk.
Mm-hmm.
What does she do 2 weeks later? She tells Ben. Ben goes ballistic because he's entitled, he's selfish, and he's greedy. He says, where's my 10 grand? And if he was here today, if he was sworn to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, he would admit to that statement. Now, why would he make that statement? Why would he say, where's my 10 grand?
Well,
If it was a loan, why would he say, where's my 10 grand?
we're getting into hearsay here. So let's just talk about things that we know about.
This whole case is hearsay, Your Honor. This whole case is hearsay.
No, statements that the parties make are not hearsay.
Is there a contract with my signature on it, agreeing to terms of a loan or to borrow that money to give to me? But no, she didn't. It was cash money. Now, if she'd come to me in the beginning and said, look, I made a mistake. I don't have $80,000 at the end of the year like I told you. I need that money back. Can you help me out? Yeah, no problem. I got your back. But she started threatening and wanting to sue. And all this came right on the coattails of telling my brother what she told me not to do. She wants to please him. This whole thing is about him. As soon as she told him and he got upset, then it became a loan. All of a sudden, it's a loan. Oh, I want the money. I told Ben you were going to pay me back. I said, why did you tell him that? I'm not paying you. That money's gone. I used it to pay off some things and to put a little cushion in the bank for myself and to be comfortable. Like I said, $10,000, Your Honor, is life-changing money to blue-collar workers, to guys like me. This thing is all about her winning. She wants to win. That's all it's about. It's not about the money. She's not broke. She doesn't need it. She's retired. She's bored. She's depressed. I'm not going to get into any more of that, but I'm shaking too. You just can't see it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right. Miss Carrasco, you're the plaintiff, so you get the last word.
Ben's testimony is hearsay, Your Honor. There's no proof of that.
It's not hearsay, ma'am, because he's a party.
Excuse me?
It's not hearsay because he's a party. You guys are using legal words you don't know the meaning of.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, nothing.
Well, you saw the evidence. He agreed to pay it back or give it back, and he borrowed 10 grand, and he makes 62,000 a year at the city of Austin.
I never borrowed anything from you. Admit the truth.
Mr. Strader, this is her turn to talk.
You lived with me, Sammy, for a year and walked out of here with 15 grand. I never charged you.
Ms. Carrasco, you address your words to the court.
Okay. He lived here, Your Honor, and walked out with 15,000. I never charged him. I helped him get a job. I helped him open a bank account at UFC where I bank. I helped him buy a car.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I begged Mr. B to give him a job at Circle K where he could save all his money. Can he hear me?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
He immediately started drinking, smoking weed, spending all his money 2 months after getting out of prison. So I can't control that.
Mm-hmm. Right. Okay. All right.
And I would like to apologize to the court for the vulgarity, but this is a highly volatile case, and I don't want Sammy anywhere on my property in the future.
The pressure finally cracks her composure. The mother trembles and raises her voice as she pleads for justice, revealing how much betrayal has broken her. The judge tries to calm her down, but her emotions spill uncontrollably. Each word paints a picture of pain, disappointment, and disbelief at her own child's cruelty. This isn't just about money anymore. It's about dignity and heartbreak colliding in real time.
We have certainly understand that's okay. People get emotional. All right. Well, based on the evidence presented, I find that the plaintiff has established a cause of action for $10,000. I will enter a judgment on her behalf for $10,000 plus court cost. Each party does have at least 15 days to file a motion for new trial and 22 days to appeal. Any
Your
questions about?
Your Honor, can I ask a simple question?
No.
Where is the evidence that this was ever? Where is my signature on anything? Where is there a payment
Mr.
plan?
Strader,
Where? How has this been proven?
if you want to appeal, please feel
I will be
free.
appealing. I promise you that.
Excellent.
Your Honor, I have
We will
one question.
a copy of the judgment out at the conclusion of this hearing, and the appeal bond is set at $20,000.
What is an appeal bond?
And if you need an indigency affidavit because you cannot afford the appeal bond, that will be provided as well.
What
You
is
can
an
visit.
appeal bond?
That's what you put up for the appeal so that you
I
can.
mean, I don't understand. What do you mean what I put up for the appeal? Am I going to jail?
No, you can visit with the civil clerks if you have questions about the procedures. Thank you very much to both parties for appearing today.
Your Honor, I just have one last question. Since I've won this judgment, I'm entitled to a writ of garnishment, correct?
Not until it's final. It's not final yet because he has to appeal.
Right.
Your Honor, I thought the only thing in the state of Texas that could be garnished was child support and taxes.
That's not true. You guys really need to talk to lawyers about this stuff, okay? You really do. I cannot give you legal advice because
The tension peaks as the mother offers a final act of mercy. She's willing to settle for half, just to end the fight. But her son's arrogance only deepens. The judge steps in control of the spiraling conversation as insults fly, and the air thickens with resentment. Every attempt at peace feels like a losing battle, and the courtroom becomes a battlefield of words where pride outweighs reason.
Stopping you is failure to come to a complete stop at the stop sign.
Oh, I thought I did. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
this your license and registration?
I no longer use a license. I only have my passport that I use. I'm a state national, so I no longer have to abide by the corporation's rules, and I have my documentation for that.
Okay.
Those were previous citations that were dismissed by Judge Crone.
Yeah, this doesn't show me anything of why you don't have to have a driver's license, though.
I'm a state national, so I'm exempt from the problem or what you guys do. I'm exempt from the.
Usually you have a card on you that states that they give you that you're exemplary.
Yeah, they haven't sent it to me yet, but I have filed all the paperwork and it's been in place for 6 years.
It's been in place for what?
6 years.
And you don't have, if it's been in place for 6 years, you don't have the prior one?
They didn't send it to me yet.
In the whole entire 6 years, you've never had anything?
You know how our federal government works, so.
So what do you provide for documentation wherever you go? You only provide...
Yes, ma'am.
You should have been at least issued an identification card. Even if you don't have a driver's license,
No,
you should have a
because the
Florida ID.
identification card again abides by your rules, leaning ownership of my vehicles, of myself to you. And I'm no longer a part of the corporation, so I'm exempt. So what we're doing here is illegal as far as me, because I no longer participate in the extortion of the police department.
Are you stating you're a sovereign citizen?
I'm not state national.
State national.
I'm not sovereign. I'm a state national.
Okay.
I'm a part of the Republic of the United States. No
Okay.
longer a part of the...
Where exactly?
Here in Naples.
I know, but I need to know so I can issue you a citation. I need to know your address.
You don't have to issue me a citation.
We still have to follow the rules that everybody else follows.
No, ma'am, I do not. I do not. That's why I always get it excused.
You don't have any documentation on you stating that, so you're not exempt.
No, I am exempt. Believe me, you'll get a bond from me that goes directly towards you, that fines you for every minute that you're holding me here. There is no crime that's committed. You can only detain me if there's a crime committed.
Ma'am, you are legally have to follow
There's no
if
injured party.
If you're
There's no
operating
injured
a motor
party,
vehicle in Florida,
No.
you still have to follow the regulations.
No, I don't. See, you guys are extorting money from us. See, the problem is you're violating my Fourth Amendment right.
No, I'm actually not, ma'am.
Yes, you are. I can go through it with you, doll.
Okay.
I have it all
You
here.
stand by for me.
10-4, vehicle versus a pole. There is airbag deployment in the northbound lane.
Sarge, do you have a minute?
Sure, go right ahead.
Okay, so I'm on a traffic stop with a woman who's stating she's not a sovereign citizen, but she's a citizen. And
Here's more documentation from the judge.
okay, can you repeat again what you just told me?
I'm a state traveler. I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
Stating she doesn't have to have a driver's license. She can run the stop sign, do everything,
common law.
and that she travels through common law. And
If she fails to produce identification or a driver's license, she can be
I
arrested.
did produce my.
she gave me her passport, but she says she doesn't have a driver's license. She doesn't need a driver's license. She doesn't have one for 6
If
years.
she doesn't have a driver's license, just like anyone else, she can be arrested for not having a driver's license.
No state shall convert
Thanks,
my.
Sarge.
I'll send you back up.
It's
Okay,
a God-given
thanks.
right.
All right, bye.
It's a God-given right. You guys are extorting money from us. It's a God-given right. Murdoch versus Pennsylvania. It's a God-given right. We're the supreme law of
Ma'am,
the
do you have your
land.
registration for the vehicle?
I don't have registration with me. No, I don't have to provide it. I am.
Ma'am, you do. You're driving a
No, ma'am.
vehicle
I am
on the road.
common law. I it is not a
understand your
privilege. It's a
common law.
right. It's a God-given.
Now, the sun finally takes the floor, and his defense is as bold as it is delusional. He insists it wasn't a loan at all, claiming his mother told him to keep the money as a gift. With a smug calmness, he recounts his version of events, twisting logic to suit his story. The judge listens silently. The mother watches in disbelief, and the viewers are left questioning how far family trust can fall. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.
Okay. So you have no registration, no driver's license?
I have it, I just don't have it on me. I don't have to carry it. So
Well,
go ahead and call your supervisor
In the
here.
event, you get into an accident with somebody or somebody,
I have-
all these documents
I
have
have,
to
I have insurance.
Okay. Well,
I
yes,
have
but the
insurance,
vehicle
and I've
has to
also
be
got a bond.
registered too.
So I have, there's no
That's
injured party here, honey.
Okay.
You
It
don't-
doesn't matter if there's no
Absolutely
injured party.
it does. That's when a crime is committed. That's the only time you can pull me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
There's
you
an
need to-
injured party.
No,
You're
that's not how
offering,
it works.
you're offering the contract is not accepted.
Stand by.
You're offering.
Yeah, 10-4 for now, please.
What's up?
She's sovereign.
Huh?
She's sovereign. She won't provide me with a driver's license. Her driver's license is expired in 2025. Registration is up to date actually, and so right now she's just
November 2?
giving me all types of problems. I was just gonna write her for expired driver's license
10-4.
and
What type of pole is it
stop
that's
sign.
on the ground there? Is it
Then
going to
she
be a
started
FDL
giving me a
pole
hard
or is it going
time,
to be a city issue
like
pole?
mouthing off. So Sarge said to call somebody else because she's not complying with anything.
Okay.
10-4 is.
Actually,
So
10-4.
for
Is it one of the white ones or green?
if she has an expired driver's license, she can't drive. So somebody else is either gonna have to come drive her car, and it's an arrest, or right?
Yep.
That's about 14. Can you ring the female hero, please?
Get my gloves. Okay, ma'am. I need you to turn your vehicle off for me.
What's the purpose?
Because your driver's license is actually expired, ma'am. You don't have
the
a
state of
valid
Florida
driver's
has turned
license.
my freedom to travel freely into
Ma'am,
a.
what I need you to do right now is turn your car off for me so we can get this situated.
What are we getting situated?
I'm trying to help you,
What are you trying to help me with?
ma'am.
No, I don't understand. What are you trying to help me with?
I've explained everything to you. I've
You haven't-
been very kind and helpful
I
to
can't
you.
go forward without my attorney.
Okay, that's fine. I
So
need
call
you
your
to...
call your supervisor.
My partner is here with
I
me
need
right
your
now.
supervisor. Call your
Okay.
supervisor, please.
We can do that
And what
too.
is your badge number, please?
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you in the
You
best
have to-
way that
you
I
have to
can.
disclose your badge number.
And I have no problem doing
You
that.
have to disclose your badge number right now.
Okay.
Please, ma'am. That's what I follow, the
Ma'am,
Constitution. The
that
state
is-
of Florida has
that is
taken my
good.
right
That
to
is
travel
good.
freely
That is
in my
okay.
private vehicle and turn it into a privilege,
That's
which is
okay.
against my constitutional rights.
That's okay.
I am not contracting with you.
Okay.
My
When
partner
I
has
find
been very
traffic
kind
before
with
the
you.
pole,
I
I copy
understand.
it.
Go
Let's
ahead and get your
Listen, hear
supervisor.
me out for a second, okay?
Just
I heard what you had to say. At this point, she has asked you to turn the vehicle off and step out of the vehicle.
I'm not
If you
stepping
listen to
out
me,
of my-
you are going to step out of the vehicle
Why would I do that?
because I asked you to.
You don't have any authority
I do.
over me.
I do.
No, you don't,
Yes, I do.
sir. You both are criminals.
No, you're going to
both
step
are-
out of the vehicle, or I'm going to make
No,
you get out of the
I'm
vehicle.
going to church.
No, you're going to get out of the vehicle right now. Nope. Nope.
Stop
Do
it.
not. Do not.
Stop it.
Do not.
Hey, don't.
No.
Oh my
no,
God.
No. No.
Keith.
No. No.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Listen.
Oh my God, I'm going to church.
You are
Stop it. Leave me alone. Please stop. Oh my God, are you crazy?
No. You're going to step out of the vehicle
Oh
right
my
now.
God. Wait, let me turn my vehicle
No.
off.
Do not grab me. No.
Stop.
Do not.
Stop
Do not.
it.
Grab this one.
I'm gonna
please.
lock up my car.
No.
I'm gonna
No.
lock up my car.
No.
Ma'am, we tried to help
Oh my
you.
God, Bert.
Central Bravo.
Hold on, get your son,
33
get
there.
your
Listen,
supervisor.
Step out. Step out. Step
Oh my
out.
God, let me
Step
put
out
my
now.
car in
Step
park.
out now.
out.
Step
Let
out
me
now.
put my car in
Step out
park.
Step
now.
out.
Now.
Step out.
Now.
Step out.
My car's
Step
gonna...
out.
Stay right there. Do not move.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yep.
Nobody else in the car?
Nope.
Please lock
Step.
up my car.
No.
I want to lock up my car.
Okay, I'm gonna take care of it in a second.
Please let me go to jail. Don't tighten them again. You don't have to tighten them that much, sir.
and they are loose.
Relax.
Nope.
Ow, you don't have to tighten it, sir.
I'm not tightening.
They have
You
to.
are. You're tightening
They
my
have to be
band.
clamped on. They're handcuffs.
Are you the supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, I need you to please get my purse and call my attorney.
Ma'am, I'm not calling your attorney.
Wait a minute.
We will
You're
take
not-
care of your property.
You're going to have a seat right now.
Don't handle me like that.
You're gonna
kid.
sit down, please.
Stop it.
Sit down and put your legs in.
Don't tow my car.
Thank you.
I'll call my brother to come down.
Thank you.
Please don't tow my car.
Watch your legs.
Please don't tow my vehicle. Can I please call my brother?
No,
Why?
because it's getting towed.
Why? That's theft.
It's not.
Sir, you're stealing my car if you impound it. Sir, can I please secure my vehicle? Sir. Let me secure my car, please. My purse and everything. How am I supposed to get out of jail?
It's getting towed.
What about my personal belongings?
They're going to be secured in the vehicle.
Sir, I've got money in that purse. Please don't do that to me.
What kind of money do you have?
I have over $2,000 in that purse. Please.
Okay. I can check with the supervisor and ask you if you.
Please let me have my purse so I can post bail. Please.
Let me check. She would like to bring her purse with her
I
to
was
jail.
just making sure I see a lot of lighters, so I just
Okay.
want to make sure
Okay,
there's
just
nothing
confirm.
in here that's not supposed to be in here before we bring it to the jail.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna type the jail intake. She can have her phone too. I will bring your purse and your phone for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yep,
Can you please roll up my windows?
we will.
And I can't have the coat towed because it's on a security.
It's gonna get towed. There is nothing around that.
What if you f up my car?
It's not going to,
How do you know that?
because we notate any damage on it prior to the tow,
There is no damage on my car.
and there won't be any when you get it.
How do I get it?
You'll be advised on where it's gonna get towed to.
How long am I going to be in jail?
I can't answer that question. I don't know. That's not up to us.
Well, we need a magistrate.